Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a real legend, the Hot Wheels BMW 635 CSi. This model comes from the HW Wild Widebody series, number 1 out of 5, and has the collector number 185-250 for 2025. Scale, of course, 1/64. A true icon of German engineering, reimagined in diecast form. The real BMW 635 CSi was introduced in 1978 as part of the E24 series. Under the hood, it had a 3.4L inline-6 engine producing 218 horsepower, 160 kilowatts. The coupe measured around 4.75 meters in length, reached a top speed of 229 km/h, and accelerated from 0 to 100 km/h in about 7.6 seconds. This car became a Grand Tourer classic, mixing luxury, style, and performance. It was also the base for many racing versions, dominating European touring car championships during the 1980s. That's why the wide-body look fits perfectly with this Hot Wheels interpretation. As collectors, we love details, and this casting shows them off. The iconic front kidney grills, sharp headlights, and wide fenders. In this scale, every contour captures the spirit of the original coupe, making it stand out in any 1/64 collection. Stay tuned until the end, because we'll place it on the rotating stand to enjoy its full beauty in 360 degrees. And don't forget, don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree reviews, and dioramas every week. Non perderti I prossimi video. Iscriviti al canale per contenuti quotidiani su modellini in scala 1/64, unboxing, 360 grime e diorami ogni settimana.